Today I show you how to sort a list of values in Excel in alphabetical order from A to Z or from Z to A, which means ascending or descending, sorting alphabetically in descending order or ascending order from A to Z or descending from Z to A. It's very easy. I'll show you now. I select the columns I want to sort, all the columns, or even the whole workbook in the whole worksheet in the corner, and then I go from home to data, and then you have this sort icon. Click on sort, and here you have the checkbox for my data has headers, and if you have headers you should keep this checked. Usually you have headers, so most of the times you would have it checked there. And also because you chose that, you will see the names here. If it was unchecked, you will see just column A, B, C, depending on the lettering of the columns there, but it's much more convenient to sort them like this. So I want to sort them by name, cell values, and I want to sort them descending. So now, as you see, I have A is the last one, and they keep going up like this. But if I want to see this user by the user ID, the last ones, I want to see them on the last three with the 99. I'm a bit tired, so if I want to see the users with ID 99 at the end of the list, I will choose sort by user ID and then smallest to largest, which is ascending. So there they go in here. So this ascending means first will be 1 and the last will be 99. And descending will be first is 99, then the last is 1. Same with the alphabetical order. Descending will be Z will be the last letter and A will be the first letter. So let's play around a little bit. Also there is the option to sort quickly from A to Z and from Z to A, like this, by the first column, the user ID. Be careful though, if you select not all the columns, you see it's only sorting the selection and it's not sorting the first column, so it will basically ruin your data. So try not to do that. It's easy. It's an easy mistake to do, but don't do that. Always, actually, I like to select the whole worksheet and then I will choose the sorting order. So I will sort them now by name descending, and I want to show you something. I will make a custom ID sequence here from 1 to 10. So 10 is always the first one was before, but because it's the descending order, letter A is last, and letter number 10 is last also. So if I do now, I change the sorting order by user ID and I choose from largest to smallest, nothing should change. If I go now and I sort by the user ID and the cell value smallest to largest, nothing should change because it's the same order already. But if I choose user ID cell value largest to smallest, then I get user ID 10 is the first and descending until 1. And as you see, this is actually the alphabetical order of the name. This is only happening like this because I defined the sequence like this from 1 to, while they were already sorted descending. And then I reversed the sort on the ID and it kept the name. It's nothing special, this thing. So if I wanted to, for example, if I wanted to make Bob first, I'll put Bob 0 and Frank last. So I will sort here quickly by A to Z in this small button, and Bob is first and Frank is last only because of the user ID. Hope this is not too confusing. There are a lot of options how to sort, and you can use any column. You can sort by color, by the font, by conditional formatting. You can really have a lot of options, but this is the most common way to use the sorting option in Excel, in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this was not too long. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you. Let me know in the comment section below if this helped you, and if you have a video that you want to watch, write a comment, make a video request. I might do it just for you. Subscribe, like and share. Subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe so you watch more interesting videos next time. Thanks for watching. Today I'll show you how to sort a list of values